Science Librarian at the Warren-Trumbull County Public Library. In this May video series, we will preview recent educational books for National Barbecue Month. Let's look at what other books are available at the library that have great barbecue recipes. The Barbecue Lover's Big Book of Barbecue Sauces, 225 extraordinary sauces, rubs, marinades, mops, bastes, pastes, and salsas for smoke cooking or grilling, by Cheryl and Bill Jameson. Bill and Cheryl Jameson are back. 25 years of travel to the barbecue citadels of the US and world, plus countless hours perfecting their craft as they wrote award-winning books on outdoor cooking, have yielded up a book that gives any old backyard cook the means to create championship-style barbecue with ease. Throughout, readers will find lots of the Jamesons' patented take-it-to-the-bank wisdom and expertise on how to wrangle the best flavors from your grill or smoker, no matter what model you own or what kind of fuel you prefer. Their newest cookbook embodies both a down-home American sensibility, including recipes from the outdoor cooking traditions of the Middle East, Latin America, and East and Southeast Asia. Meathead, The Science of Great Barbecue and Grilling, by Meathead Goldwyn and Greg Blonder, PhD. For succulent results every time, nothing is more crucial than understanding the science behind the interaction of food, fire, heat, and smoke. Founder and editor of the world's most popular barbecue and grilling website, AmazingRibs.com, Meathead applies the latest research to backyard cooking with more than 100 thoroughly tested recipes, along with the help of physicist and food scientist Greg Wander, PhD. The authors here investigate myths about how to grill to perfection, myths such as that you must bring meat to room temperature before cooking, that you have to soak wood before using it, and that you should sear first, then cook. The book blends chemistry, physics, meat science, and humor. Ultimate Book of Barbecue by Pitmaster Christopher Prieto and Ashley Strickland Freeman. The Ultimate Book of Barbecue builds on the expertise of Southern Living magazine to create the definitive barbecue and outdoor grilling guide. The book features more than 200 of the highest-rated Southern Living recipes for barbecued meats and sides, plus pit-proven tips, techniques, and secrets for year-round smoking, grilling, and barbecuing. Thanks for tuning in to this month's educational video series for National Barbecue Month. You can search our catalog at www.wtcpl.org today, or you can visit us and browse the shelves in person. We have an extensive selection of both barbecue cookbooks and other cookbooks. Have a good day.